Accidents stink, but getting an estimate doesn't have to. Let's show you how simple it is to use this estimating tool. Start by entering your year, make, and model of your vehicle. Next, you'll be tapping on the damaged areas. Simply tap on a damaged area and follow the real-life example provided. You'll be taking the first photo from straight on. Next, you'll be taking a photo from a side angle. This will give us a better perspective of the damage. Continue to add as many panels as you would like. Simply tap on the panel, taking the first photo from straight on, and the second photo from a side angle. Once you've added all the panels, press Next. Now take a few steps back and take a photo from a slight distance. This will help us to know how the damage is affecting the surrounding areas. This is also a good time to take photos of any damaged or broken parts. Now you'll be asked to take a photo of the VIN number. The VIN number gives us all the unique information about your particular vehicle. Please keep in mind all of this information is kept private and secure. If you don't know how to locate your VIN number, there's a video that you can just press the play button and it will show you how to locate your VIN. Finally, we come to the review section. This is where you can look at your photos and also leave any damaged notes, such as how the accident happened, and you can list any broken parts. Lastly, enter your contact information. When you're done, press the Submit button. All of your data will now be uploaded to our estimating team, who will assess the damage by looking at it under X-ray filters. Then they'll be able to provide you with sound advice about the cost and repair process. So go ahead, try today. Our friendly staff is standing by.